this video, we are decorating the Teresa Collins Happy Planner in the classic size with some stickers from the Happy Planner, Girl with Goals, Beauty in Florals, and Washi Tape from Simply Gilded. Hello, I'm Katie. Welcome to the Planner channel. Subscribe to watch new planning videos every week. We're going to be using my 5-step decorative process, starting with choosing a theme. So we know which sticker books we want to use. They were voted on in the community tab poll on YouTube on the Planner channel. So I try to put a poll in there each week so that you all can choose our themes for each layout. So these two sticker books had the most votes. But within our sticker books, I like to choose a color palette. So I grabbed the rest of my Simply Gilded that kind of match those. And really any of these would look good. So I'm just trying to choose a specific color palette within this collection. I really, really love these. So if we use these washi strips with the pink and blue and white, then I kind of want to have an accent washi to go with it. Okay, so I like this theme with the pink flowers and the blue flowers. And then I actually switched up my washi. I'm going to use this one along with it because it has like a little floral pattern on it. And the pink matches better than the pink on this one. All right, next up is washi tape. And actually I grabbed both of these washi tapes because they're going to match with our spread. And then we're also going to use washi tape from the sticker book. All right, I'm going to start off with this washi because I think it's a little bit thicker, and put it down first. And since it's a holiday on Monday the 31st, Memorial Day, I'm going to do like something different on Monday, something different on the weekend, and then decorate Tuesday through Friday as a work week. This should, let's see, this should fit 4 boxes across, but I'm going to cut it in half and then do 2 and 2, starting right here, kind of to mark off my work week. All right, let's try this one next to the floral just to see how it looks. I'm not sure if I'm going to use all 3. I just want to test it and see if I like all 3 together. All right, so our options are adding the washi up here, adding the washi down here, not adding the washi at all. I think I'm going to add it at the bottom. I kind of like it. I'm not entirely sure, but you know, sometimes you just got to try some things. I do like the idea of different colors together in different patterns. And they should all work with our color palette once we get the rest of the stickers down. And it kind of gives us a header for our work days. And maybe we can put some decoration across the top or some big lettering or something. So let's open up both of these sticker books and choose some box stickers. I liked both of these because they both have like a purple shade to them, the color palette in both of these sticker books. So let's grab a couple, like maybe these 2 lavender ones, and then a couple boxes from this one that has the florals on them. Like, oh my gosh, so pretty. Okay, I think I'm going to use these 2 that actually don't have the foil because the foil in here is gold. This foil is actually kind of a not gold. It's either a rose gold or a copper color. So I'm going to use the boxes that don't have foil on them. I'm going to grab 2 of these like gray lavender ones. I'm not sure exactly how this layout's gonna go yet, but that's the fun of it. Just decorate, just decorate. All right, I love this sticker and it's kind of decorative, kind of like a box, but I'm gonna say it's a box because I want to put it down now while we're working on boxes. And I'm not sure where it's going, but I like it so much. I think it'll go up here. All right, I think I'm going to use these to-do boxes because I have these for work days or I have things to do. I think we're gonna put 4 of those in here, maybe at the bottom. It's gonna be a little bit blocky and different than I normally decorate, but that's why I like it. I like things to be different. I don't like the same thing every day. I like to have a whole different new spread every day. All right, let's put, I love this. Okay, so my favorite flowers are light pink roses. They're my absolute favorite, like that favorite flower. Second favorite flowers are orchids. Those 2 kinds of flowers are my favorites. There's lots of other ones I like. And we did talk about this in another video when we were doing florals. But what kind of flowers do you like to use in your planner? You know, what kind of flowers do you like in real life? And what kind of ones do you like to decorate with? I like florals, but I like all decorations. That's kind of crooked there. But I have learned to let that go. All right, let's grab a couple more of those to-dos. It's just this page to-dos. Yeah, the second page says top 3. Or maybe we'll have one of each, to-do and then top 3. No, I like to-dos. So let's grab 2 more. I want a navy one. So I like to do this. Since this page has a navy sticker, I want a navy sticker on this page. Again, not perfect, but it's okay. Doesn't matter. You have to let it go. All right, and then, so this one has like a burgundy color, and that one's kind of purple. This one is navy. What color? These are all shades of green. I kind of like this one. Oh wait, this one matches our washi tape. So let's do this one. It's kind of more like the washi tape. I like this. Oh, I would like it if the flower was on the left. Hold on, I'm switching again. So I like how that flower's on the right and this flower's on the left and that flower's on the right. So let's grab this one. Next up is checklists and bullet points. So from the floral sticker book, they have some different colors of bullet points. So let's grab like 2 of each in the different shades. Oops, to mark. Oh, we could put them in the middle. No, I want 4 different colors. So let's see. Let's put this color with this sticker. Let's do it like that. And then another, and these have little tiny hearts on them. So like this. So 2 there. I like this blue. And, oh, I wanted to match them with the sticker. I already didn't do that. Well, it doesn't make any difference. Let's put green here. And another green. And maybe the purple ones. Next up, decorative stickers, my favorite. And this sticker book, Girl with Goals, has so many great quotes in the back. So I want to choose something from this collection to kind of go across the top, and then we'll decorate the rest with flowers and a few more stickers from the floral book. Something like this across the top, or maybe a couple of different quotes. I like the big ones. See, I love that, but that won't quite fit unless we trim it. This could work. Oh, I like that. Maybe we'll pick a couple of them. All right, I like these 2, so I'm going to put 1 on each page, and then we will decorate around them with the floral stickers. So this one says, believe in yourself. I'm just gonna put it right in the middle. Actually, I'm gonna move it over because I wanna have a little space to write. Okay, that one on that side and this one on this side. Yay, florals! Now we get to play with these gorgeous florals in the sticker book. This is so pretty. All right, which ones? I think I like these the best. So I think I'm gonna grab a couple of these and we'll decorate around the page. Okay, I'm starting off with the smaller ones because I want to trim them so they stay inside the box around where our quotes are. So I'm gonna cut this in half and then put it kind of around in this area like that. And then another one on this side, which I'm going to trim a little bit smaller so that it can fit here. And then we might have to trim this also. And I'm going to make some corner pieces like that. So this can now fit in one of these corners. Fits over here. I just trimmed a small piece off of one of the big stickers so that I have something to fit in this box. And one more small sticker here. Okay, I want to put one of these clear quotes over on the left page. I think down in this corner or overlapped somewhere. I think the corner. Okay, now I want to add on a few more little decorative stickers. I liked these shapes, and this one says the best day. So I want to put that on Saturday, kind of like this. And this one that says enjoy life. Yeah, I like it like right here. Girl with Goals has a super cute coffee o'clock sticker. I will put that on Monday. Oh, maybe right in the middle at the top. All right, I feel like I need two more things, which is I think I'm going to put a checklist and a banner down here on Sunday because I always have things to do Sunday. Maybe this dark purple because it kind of goes with our spread. 1, 2, 3. And then some kind of banner up above that. Priority, a matching one. Yeah, I kind of like it. And then a few more flowers. I don't really like how this circle thing turned out, so I think if I put some flowers around it, maybe I will like it better. And then something there too. Usually when I have a gap, I like to put a little strip of washi. Oh, maybe this would look good there. Maybe we can trim it. Let's see how that looks. That might be kind of cool. All right, I like this like scribble. So let's trim the scribble just a little bit like that and make our own little washi strip to put in this little space. That's kind of cool. Don't you oh my gosh, I love that. That turned out really good. All right, I found a page that has some individual flowers that we can grab to kind of decorate around this. So let's grab a rose. Where's my tweezers? And maybe do something like that just to, I don't know, something about this. Just don't like it. So I'm gonna decorate it and make it better. I'm gonna put a couple of flowers around it, see if that makes me happy. Kind of going around the curve. So I'm gonna add those on. Let's trim this little piece that's hanging off and this little clear edge that's hanging off. For some reason, this sticker keeps jumping out at me and I want to add it on. It's so amazing. And it's in our colors and I just want to put it right here. I don't know why. I really like when stickers are layered, so I'm just going to add a little star right there. Okay, I think that's it. Let's see how it looks in the planner. Thank you for voting in the community tab for your favorite decor for each week's Plan With Me. Make sure you head back over to the community tab to vote for next week's Plan With Me. Check out the description box for links to products that you see in this video, and also some other resources like a planning checklist, the planner school, if you want to learn more. If you like this video, be sure to subscribe, share with your friends, hit that thumbs up button, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!